When I ordered my electric bike, I didn't order the rear rack nor a pannier bag to go with it. So what I did, I went on Amazon, looked for a budget-friendly pannier bag and bought it. The issue I had, however, is that the bag that I bought on Amazon was not an exact fit. I purchased this Grammit toolkit, so it came with eyelets, gold, as well as silver, and this is the punch that came with it. So you use this to punch a fabric, then you can use the eyelets, and you have the pliers that comes with the toolkit as well. So the plan is to create riveting holes in the bag so that I can permanently or semi-permanently affix this pannier bag to the bike. Rather than using a hammer to punch a hole, I'm just going to use this cordless drill and the bag instead. I recently joined the Amazon affiliate program, so if you're interested in any of the products that you saw being displayed in this video, check in the bio, click the link in the bio, and any item that you purchase, I'll get a small commission from Amazon. Remember also to like my video, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your continued support as always. Peace.